What's going on? Brad here from Preeminent Practice, and in this video I'm going to share with you 2 techniques that you can implement today in order to supercharge your ads and make sure that you're attracting the right types of prospects that will turn into paying patients. You see, one of the big problems that practice owners make when they're running their own ads, and even agencies and coaches are guilty of this too, is using generalized templates and ad copy and all this kind of stuff. They have very little consideration for who am I actually trying to target. There's 2 people and categories that you're actually writing ads to: solution aware and problem aware people. And how you write those ads or position your offers really depends on what stage these people are in and what you're actually trying to get that person to do. So the first technique that you can use is writing towards outcomes. Outcomes is what's going to happen for you when they use your service or product. For example, when you lose weight, you'll be able to do whatever the goal is. When you overcome this chronic back pain, you'll be able to do X. That type of messaging is going to be better for the solution aware or consciously aware prospects. Whereas for people who are problem aware or more unconsciously aware of their problem, you can use the second technique, which is claims. This is what the product or service will do for you. The difference is, examples like this fat loss pill will help you melt 20 pounds in 6 weeks. Our low back pain relief program will help you getting back to playing golf in 2 weeks or less. The difference here is that the people who are solution aware respond more to the outcomes because they already are aware of the problem and some of the solutions that they have for it. So I can focus more on what is the checkpoint that they want to get to, and then I insert what I refer to as the signature solution, or how you get the person to that outcome, as the selling point in your ad copy and your sales process. Whereas the people who are more problem unaware, and they're not quite sure of your service, they're not quite sure what options are, they're not even really sure what is wrong with them, those people generally respond more to the claims, because we have to bridge in their mind with their imagination and creativity about what actually can happen for them. So that's why writing ad copy that is going to be more imaginative. For example, this pill will melt 20 pounds off your body. You'll be able to get back to playing golf in 6 weeks or less, is giving them an actual picture of where they want to go because they're not aware of it. So next time that you are writing your ads, make sure you take into consideration, are you going after solution aware, problem aware people, and I'm writing towards outcomes or writing towards claims. If you found this video helpful and you want to access more resources on how to get cash pay patients, optimize your marketing, and grow your practice, make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you can get more of those resources delivered on a regular basis. And if you are looking to expedite and grow your practice to 7 figures and beyond, and you want to help to be able to fast track getting there, you can click around this video in order to schedule a practice growth audit. And what we'll do on that call is we'll take a look at your practice, compare it amongst the 400 other practices that we work with, and do an analysis to see what is working, what needs to be optimized, and what's missing that's going to give you the quickest win. If you're interested in that, make sure that you reach out and we'll love to schedule it in and get you on the right track. Thanks again. Until next time.